So here we have another data science interview question, this time from Forbes, and we want to find the most profitable companies, in particular, the 3 most profitable companies in the world, and we want to get an output that looks like this. Okay, so we want to get the company as well as the profit being in descending order, and just get the top 3. So what you might want to do is extract the company variable as well as the profit variable from the table that we've been given, and we want to order by the profits, but not only order by the profits, but do so in descending order. And what this will do is, if I run the code here, it will give us the profits in descending order. From here, we can just chop off the first 3 rows. So we could do something like this, and this will give us the 3 most profitable companies just because we've chopped off the first 3 rows. But what this doesn't do is account for ties. So let's say there's a company where the profit is 37 as well. So that would be 3rd place. The problem is, by limiting 3, we snip off that value because we're only looking at the first 3 rows of the data. So what we might want to do is, just to cover this particular edge case, let's consider ties as well. So what we're going to do is create a new column called ranking here. So, rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, but it will give the same profit values, the same rank. So what we can do is we can create this rank column and then filter ranks less than or equal to 3. So what we can do is, let's just start off with this code over here and just run it. So that's all well and good. We get the company and the profit. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new column called ranking. And how do I do this? Well, let me just put this like this. And we're going to create a new column. And the way I'm going to create this column is to essentially apply this function called dense rank. Now, dense rank will rank the columns considering ties. And the thing that we want to rank over is, let me put that in capitals, and let me put this in capitals as well. So dense rank. And the thing that we want to rank is the profits in descending order. So we can order by profits in descending order. And I'm going to alias this column as, I'm going to call it ranking. So like that. And just to see how this is sort of working, we can run this and see that it creates a new column, ranking 1, 2, 3, etc. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to treat this like a table and select only the company name and the profit from this table. So what I can do is I can wrap this all in brackets, so from the table that we're currently looking at, like this. And I'm going to give this table a name. So this table will be called maybe just temp, because it's just a temporary one. And from here, we can just say where ranking is less than or equal to 3. Like that. And if we run this, we should get the same output, but now it accounts for cases where there's ties. So if we check the solution there, looks good. And, here we have maybe a slightly more robust one. So I'll leave it there, and thanks for watching.